Hello, and welcome to another lesson on order of operation by Learning Beyond Limits. Notice the expression that we have, -3 times -7 minus 14 times -3 divided by -7. When we have an expression like this, we need to consider the order of operation. In doing so, we must consider BEDMAS. B for bracket, E for exponents, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Note that you can either do division or multiplication first. The order between these two does not matter. Neither does the order between addition and subtraction. So now look at our expression. We're going to try to separate our subtraction operation from our multiplication and division operation. So we're going to put a circle around our operation to do that. So around our -3 times -7, we put a circle. Notice this is a negative, not an operation. This is a negative, not an operation. The operation here is multiplication. And we put the circle and stop when we see a subtraction or an addition operation taking place. Hence, the circle stops right here because there's a subtraction between the -7 and the 14. Now we'll continue to circle. Notice how the circle goes around all the remaining digits because this is no longer a subtraction but a negative, and this is a negative, and this is a negative. And therefore, we're now going to solve each bubble. When we're solving each bubble, we want to look closely at the negative signs. We're going to count our negatives. If we have odd number of negatives, our answer will be negative. If we have even number of negatives, our answer will be positive. In this case, we have 1, 2, even number of negatives, so our answer will be positive. We can just go ahead then and multiply 3 by 7 and we'll get 21. Now we move to the next bubble or the next circle, and we're going to count our negatives again. Odd number of negatives give us negative for our answer. Even number of negatives give us positive for our answer, so we'll count 1, 2, 3. We have negative for our answer then because we have odd number of negatives. So we put our negative down, and now we can go ahead and solve what is inside this bubble without worrying about our 1, 2, 3 negatives. Now we can look at the divide by 7 first. We're going to see if we can find a number that 7 can go into without leaving a remainder. And here we have it, 14. 7 into 14 goes 2 times. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. And we put our 6 there. Now we have 21 minus 6, and that is equal to 15.